Welcome to episode 3, where we experience some of the new features in Sabina's Cayenne, while we continue our journey into the wild.
Sabina, folding back the tent is about as easy as folding it out, right?
Yep, just make sure it's dry when you tuck it away.
Yeah, wouldn't want it to get moldy, right? But that is not the case today.
So basically we're doing everything in reverse. Once we've removed the spring rods, retracted the ladder, and folded away the tent's underfloor, all that is left is to hook in the safety straps and lock up.
Ed, how did I do?
Now it's time for a little excursion.
The new features!
And you are driving.
Yes! Wow.
So, let's make this car yours now. Log in with your Porsche ID.
Okay, I'll just take a minute.
Not anymore. You can log in by scanning a QR code on the PCM. Let me show you. Go to accounts and then add a new account. And now a QR code is generated.
Do I just scan it with the normal camera on my phone?
Yes, just make sure that you are logged in the My Porsche app.
All right, quick and easy.
And now you can lay your phone on this tray over here. That's a new feature where your phone gets charged wirelessly. And if you have active cooling, it will be cooled at the same time.
And I see there are 2 more USB-C ports over there in case the passenger wants to charge his or her phone as well.
Yes, and there are 2 more at the rear for the backseat passengers.
After that introduction, I was ready to hit the road. But our previous off-road sessions had left a little mark that was ever so slightly obstructing my view.
Oh, darn it. The rear view camera's all dirty. Hang on.
Oh, hang on. Oh, you can do it from inside. Just simply push this lever backwards once.
Less time for work, more time for play.
And in case you're driving a Cayenne Coupe, there's a soft button integrated in the PCM once you engage reverse. Now we can drive.
The Cayenne had even more new and updated features. The sunroof and sunshade, for example, that now open and close automatically via an easy double click. And the activating and navigating direction of the control stalk for the driver assistance options has also changed. All of these to give the owner a more intuitive driver experience.
So what were your favorite features of the new Cayenne?
Definitely the display. I mean, we know the passenger-only display, the one that only the passenger can see, the PCM, we're all familiar with. But to have a similar curved display in the Cayenne that you have in the Taycan.
And I really love the classic style. You were going too fast. You were going too fast.
Really? I didn't notice.
The Cayenne did, and it always does, as speed limit detection and lane assist are functions that are always on, unless of course you switch it off.
Why would you do that?
Well, ever been on a racetrack? I mean, it's a Porsche after all, right? In that case, allocate the disabling function to the Joker key, and that will make it easier.
I prefer off-roading.
Since you love your music so much, you can choose your favorite radio stations with the controller roller on the steering wheel as a shortcut in the media tube in the curved display. Remember the rear view camera?
Yeah.
Well, there's another feature that makes parking even easier.
I don't really like parking.
You don't have to. In certain models, the car can park itself. Let me show you. So, with the intelligent parking assist, your Porsche will help you find an appropriate parking spot. And you can then activate how you'd like to be parked via the PCM, and the car will do the rest.
That wraps up this series of Spot On Specials. Thank you for joining. We'll see you next time.